Create your own snake game in Excel VBA. Create 400 label fields. Right-click the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the Label control in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in User Form 1. Label 1 is now located in User Form 1. Create 4 more labels in the same way. Labeled Label 2 through Label 5. With the left mouse button held down, select the 5 labels and format them. Set their background color, back color, to white, and set their height, and width, to 10. Copy the 5 selected labels and paste 5 new labels. Select the 10 labels and copy them. Paste 10 new labels. Select the 20 labels and copy them. Insert 4 new sets, each containing 20 labels. User Form 1 now contains 100 labels, from Label 1 to Label 100. Select the 100 labels and copy them. Paste 3 new sets, each containing 100 labels. User Form 1 now contains 400 labels, ranging from Label 1 to Label 400. Double-click User Form 1 in the VBA editor with the left mouse button. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet, and then open the input mask. The formatted labels, from label 1 to label 400, are displayed in the correct order.